welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So today we are going to do the FabFitFun Add On Fall 2020 sale items that I got. And originally I was going to do this as my last in the series of these FabFitFun fall videos that I usually do, but I think this is going to be my second video. So if you haven't had a chance, I already did my FabFitFun fall uncustomized box that I bought in this sale. I'll post that video up above, but I'm going to do this, and then my last video I'll either put up the same day or the next day after will be my FabFitFun fall 2020 customized box. Kind of the end. That one actually came in this box, my customized one, but I'll unbox that last. So this is a gigantic box. Gigantic, huge. It's not completely full of all add-on items. The reason is because they put my regular box in there, which is this box in there. So obviously this box is going to be a lot bigger. Plus some of my items came separately sent to me that were some clothing items, which I will try to demonstrate how those items look at the end of this video with some pictures. But let's dive into this. So if you guys don't know, or if you've never watched my videos, or you just don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a quarterly subscription service that you can pay for the full year, you can pay for just the quarter, and then they have these add-on sales where before the boxes come out, you can add on goodies for free shipping to ship with your box. Then they also have edit sales, and I do lots of review videos on these. I show you guys my goodies all the time that I buy from them. This is really no different than any of my other videos, and I am not sponsored by them in any shape or form. This is all out of my own pocket. I buy entirely too much stuff with them, but I enjoy it, and it's kind of a little pastime I do. So let's just dive in. I'll start first. Oh, and there is a mystery bundle at the end. So what I'm going to do is go through my goodies, and then I'll show you kind of some of the clothing items I got, and then at the very end we'll unbox the mystery item. If you guys don't know, I always do a mystery bundle at the end of this, because I just think they're really fun. I enjoy mystery bundles. So anyway, I got quite a few items. I kept it around the 200 mark. I usually kind of try to keep it around the 200 mark, sometimes more, sometimes less. But yeah, I don't think a lot of these items are going to shock some of you guys that have watched me all along the way. So the first item I got, and I have talked about this in empties videos and favorites videos and all sorts of videos. So again, not going to really shock anyone that I purchased these, but this is the Fat Boy shampoo and conditioner. These are the full liter size bottles, each one of them. They're really awesome shampoo and conditioner. I originally got them in a mystery bundle, I believe, or maybe I bought them in a sale, and really enjoyed it. So I went ahead and bought the liter version of these, which was not cheap. But oh, they smell so good. This one smells like lavender almost, and then the conditioner smells like what's it called, like spearmint or peppermint. It just smells really good. But anyway, I really like how my hair feels with these, so I bought the full liter version. They were like 30 some odd dollars, I believe, when everything was said and done. But the shampoo, the smaller size, lasted me forever. So I felt like even though it was a little pricey, it was definitely worth it. So if you guys are ever wondering, that's what the liter size is for those. All right, next item that I purchased, and you guys also probably will be not shocked by this, is a dry shampoo. But this is a new one I haven't tried. This is a Mica Phantom Hydrating Dry Shampoo Foam. I do have dry hair, so I thought it would be fun to try a foam that's supposed to be hydrating, and that's what it looks like. I've seen some of these places that have used these that say these work really well. Now granted, I'm not going to put in my hair today because I literally just washed my hair and it is still sort of wet at the roots, so I don't really want to put dry shampoo in there, but I am going to try this out. I'm almost done with my current dry shampoo, so I thought this would be fun to try. I really like Mica. It smells really good. It almost has like a licoricey, fruity smell, which I'm not usually a big licorice fan, but it's not overwhelming. Sorry about that. Random phone call, probably a solicitor. Okay, next item in here is the Chella. This is totally a random purchase, but I just couldn't help myself. The Chella Heated Eyelash Curler, and I thought, with all the focus on makeup being eye area because of masks, why not try an eyelash curler and a heated one to see if it does anything. It did come with a little battery separate here. This may be totally dangerous and I may regret ever getting this, but let me see if I can figure out how to put the battery in here. It doesn't really say how to do this. Always good to, oh, there we go. Always good to read instructions. So you just pull it up here, you put the battery in, okay, and then I assume we push it back, okay, and then it's green when you turn it on, and let's see, it says switch the curler, turn it on, and wait approximately 40 to 60 seconds for the curler to heat up. Do not brush the comb through your lashes until after you've held for 10 seconds. Okay, well, I'm not gonna demonstrate this today. I'm gonna try this out. I really wanna make sure I read the instructions properly so I don't burn my eyes. But this is a lot smaller and different than I was expecting it. But I guess that's the heating elements, and then you would brush your eyelashes through it. So I'm curious how this is gonna work, and I'll try it out and get back with you guys. This is just one of those like weird devices I thought I'd try, but it wasn't very much. So there's that item. This one is a Cica Care Balm by Rovectin, and it's supposed to have no parabens, fragrance, colorants, mineral oil. I just have some different scars and things that I've been putting like the Hero Balm on, and so I wanted some Cica cream because Cica is a material gotten from a certain plant. It's in K-beauty basically, and it helps with inflammation and redness. You'll find it in a lot of different beauty products, but I have like a recent mole that I had to have widely excised, so I have a pretty good scar there, and then I have a little spot on my arm as well here. So I've been wanting to try different creams to help keep them moisturized and heal. I like this balm already. So it kind of has just like a lotion feel to it. And it goes on really smoothly, doesn't feel greasy. So this is supposed to help. When I think I read about it, it said it was supposed to help with like redness and yeah, irritated skin. It's made with macadoside, which I do not know what that is. I'm gonna have to look that up. Calamide and barrier repair complex. It's a trademark formula, and it's supposed to have, like I said, the Cica in it, which is the plant extract, and it's supposed to help with irritated skin areas, and it's suitable for dry and sensitive skin. So I'm gonna definitely try this out. Like I said, I have a few areas I really want to test this on, and I've been really into the reparative balms. So that is one that I got. All right, next item here is this J. Cosum Enzyme Cleansing Powder. Mine is the box. Looks like a little bit of a casualty. So I thought this would be fun. I'm big into enzymatic cleaners recently, and I had just almost worked through the one I'm currently, so I thought this would be fun. Now, it is individually packaged, which is good or bad depending on how you think about it. So if you are traveling or going somewhere, it's nice because you can just take the individual packages. Bad thing is it's bad for the environment. This is it looks like cruelty-free, and so what you're supposed to do is take one packet and put it in your palm of your hand, a little bit of water, and then massage it onto your face and body. So I'll try these out in the shower, but yeah, there's a good 30 of them in here, so that will be good to try, and I will definitely give this a go. It doesn't look like it has a lot of ingredients in it. It does have papain and grapefruit. These are exfoliating items that are usually found in fruit extracts. It does have collagen and aloe vera juice, which is supposed to be very soothing. So that was that item. All right, this one everybody talked about, so I said, why not? This is the Starry Eye Balm by Kopari. I was curious about this because people just raved at how great this made their under eye look. And so I'm always on the lookout for something that looks good on my under eye. This looks like this has been not bearing with the heat well in this area. So we've not been that hot, but that looks kind of gross. Ew. I'm pretty sure just looking at this is, so if you live in a hot area, you see this a lot with makeup products, specifically lipsticks. I see this happen a lot too, where it like separates a little bit because of the heat. This is actually like bumpy on mine. I think this separated out, but I don't know. Has anyone had this before? Does the bumps usually on there? It's just weird. There's like literal bumps on here. I don't know. I'm curious if that's new or old. or if the bumps are because of the transport. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and you're supposed to put it on your under eye area, and it's supposed to really hydrate it up. This feels incredibly greasy. I don't know about this. I'm a little skeptical. It's kind of greasy and gross. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Can't say if I'm going to love this or hate this, but the consistency is bizarre. But this is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. It smells like a balm. It kind of has that like waxy smell to it. It has coconut oil, shea butter, candle wax, or candelia wax, sesame seed oil. It's a lot of oils. So, yeah. Basically, it says it is a hydrating coconut eye balm, a dose of caffeine to depuff, illuminate, and plump tired eyes. So I'll play with this and let you guys know if this works or if this is an utter and complete fail. All right, next item here. I just thought this would be a lot of fun because we're stuck in a lot, and so my daughter likes weird facts. So I got this Game Room's Bizarre Facts quiz. I thought this would be fun. My daughter's always asking just like the weirdest things, and she likes weird, quirky facts. So I thought this would be fun to have like a little game where you can ask some questions, and basically they're like little question cards. So that would be kind of a nice little thing on nights when we're just bored and, you know, want to ask questions. So this was super cute. It's 140 cards, and literally it's just like a quiz question game thing. So like that. All right, let me show you guys the tops, and then we'll get, oh, one more thing before we get into the tops. And then this, which I'm going to give this to my daughter. She doesn't know this yet, but her birthday's coming up. So I thought this would be a adorable little gift to her because she loves jewelry. And so I'm not going to fully take it out of the packaging yet, but it says, I love you to the moon and back. If you guys can see here, it's a little bracelet here, and I think it was I don't know if this was silver plated or not. It's stainless steel. It says our bracelets are made with stainless steel. They are adjustable. They fit most wrist sizes, and they will not rust, tarnish, or corrode. And so I thought that would be super cute. I wanted to give this to her for her one of her little birthday gifts coming up. I know she hasn't been on my videos recently. I'm going to try to get her back on some of the videos because some of you guys have asked about her. We've been doing the online schooling, so it's been a little crazy and hectic. And I usually videotape either when she's in on her online course or late at night. So I haven't been able to get her in here, but yeah, that's that. Okay, let's go over the clothing here. And if I can figure out how to make it work and I get it, I'm going to try to post some pictures either up in the corner here or like popped in here with me with the shirts on. Show you guys can see how they look. Now I stuck with shirts. Man, they sent these big old plastic bags here. I stuck with shirts that I thought would do well, you know, and companies that I've actually kind of had some of their products before. So that I kind of had a good idea of how the shirts would fit. But the first one I got was this Skies Blue Alice Pintuck short sleeve top in medium. And this one is really pretty. So this is, if you can't tell, I'm wearing something kind of similar. It's just like a flowy peasant type top with the little flutter sleeves kind of like this. And it is kind of a pink and reddish and white. And then it has this little button in the front that you can undo to make it more of like a V-top, which is probably how I'll wear it, more open instead of tucked. But I saw it in the pictures both ways. I like these kind of shirts, especially like today I had online meetings for my work. So yeah, I'm an ER doctor, but I also am a director. So I do a lot of online meetings right now. And so these shirts are really nice because I look presentable on my meetings. But yeah, so we got that. Next shirt here. Goodness, I feel like these bags are like a huge waste, but I get it, whatever. All right, this one is by the company We The Free, and this is a just basic striped tee. I thought this was really cute. I don't know if this is going to be long enough on me, but we'll see. Again, I got it in a medium size because I wasn't sure if a medium or a large would work better. I feel like maybe a large might work better, but I also thought this would be really cute under like a sweater or a vest or something like that. But it's just simply a blue and white striped tee. All right, and then the final shirt here There's also a medium-sized shirt. This sale had a lot of clothing in it, and so like some really, really cute stuff. There was one shirt I really wanted, I couldn't get my hands on, but that's okay. This is also Skies Are Blue, which again, I know this brand fits me. This is in the size medium, and it's another flutter like top like this, super cute rose pattern, anyway, or peony pattern. This is called the Candace Flutter Sleeve Floral Top. So yeah, anyway, pictures hopefully coming. Okay, so let's get into my mystery bundle, and then we'll be done with this video. So this is my mystery bundle. If you guys don't know what the mystery bundles are, in each sale they always have just a straight up normal mystery bundle. And it's $29.99 usually. They also will have sometimes like these mega bundles and these clothing bundles and all this other stuff. This is legitimately just the straight up mystery bundle. And I usually buy one every sale just because I enjoy them. So let's dive in here and see what I got for my money. So the first thing is this Mitchell & Peach hand wash in English leaf. I am not adverse to a hand wash, and this is a really pretty bottle. So I will put this in one of my bathrooms or my kitchen sink. Oh, it smells lovely. It has like kind of a, almost a leaf, light fragrant, but not overly sweet smell. So that is absolutely lovely. Totally happy with that. Next item is one, I actually have another one of these, but I am never adverse to getting more of. It's the Liquid Beauty Blender Cleanser, but you can use this in a brush cleanser in general. So I have one of these, but I definitely need to clean all my brushes and all my beauty blenders. So yeah, that's also good. I know this is pretty pricey. So this one, not shocking. My last mystery bundle and my last sale that I showed you guys, which was like the endless summer sale, was a horrible mystery bundle. But everyone kept coming, well, at least you didn't get ish items. Well, we got an ish item. I don't know what I'm going to do with this item yet, but let me just show you it. It is an ish eyeshadow palette. Packaging's cute. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I may put this one in a giveaway because ish is just eh. This is an all matte eyeshadow palette, which it's great. It's a neutral eyeshadow palette, but I just don't foresee myself really dipping into it. So this lovely thing may go into a future giveaway when I hit 2,500 subscribers. I got a box started with all sorts of goodies for whoever or however many people I decide to do in the giveaway. But anyway, there's an ish product. This was kind of a fail for me, but that's okay. And then the final thing here is the Hyatt Lyocell something. Let's see. I think these are pillow cases, but let me open this up and take a look. Which if this is, I'm going to be super excited. Oh, this is perfect. These are 2 king pillowcases. So we have a king size bed. These are the Lyocell pillowcases, and I think these are supposed to be really good on your face. This is such cute packaging, actually. So this is an awesome thing. I haven't gotten anything like this in my giveaways, but oh yeah, definitely. These are like super silky and soft, and so what the concept of this is supposed to protect your face against like wrinkles and stuff. And I'm loving the fact that this is king size and there's 2 of them in here, so I can actually match it to my bed. So that was a definite plus. And I forget how much these are, but I feel like these are pretty pricey in the sale. So anyway, I got 4 items. 3 of them are hits. 1 of them was but this was definitely, for me, worth the price. I thought this was a great mystery bundle. So yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, what did you think? Did you like the mystery bundle? Yeah, anyway, thanks guys for watching so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.